This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. Golf lovers, don't miss this one-owner custom-built home, on a cul-de-sac and located on the first hole. Bedroom and full bath on the first floor. Open floor plan welcomes you as you enter the front door, with the view of the golf course outback. Gourmet kitchen with large center island with gas range, the sink overlooks the golf course. Family room, formal living and dining room complete the first level. Stairs lead to a large loft, multiflex room, media/game room, home office, schooling area. Community pier, with gazebo, canoes you can check out. This riverfront, golf course, resort-style community offers amenities you love right here. Golf, volleyball, swimming pools, clubhouse, waterfront parks, playgrounds, miles of walking and biking trails, and a full-time activities director offer year-round fun for the whole family. This master-planned community is conveniently located in Northern Suffolk West/easy access to I-6.